Hello! In this video, I shall introduce SenteraWeb Scheduler and show you how to work with it. For the purpose, we shall use Sentera's ACT circular motorized dampers. And to connect to SenteraWeb, we shall use the SIG-M Sentera Internet Gateway. Because both devices need 24 VDC as a supply voltage, we shall use Sentera's DPOM, which is both a 24 VDC power supply module and a Modbus repeater. The SIG-M is already connected to the internet using the Ethernet cable. This is the cable I'm going to use to supply the SIG-M using the DPOM power supply and Modbus repeater. Normally, you have to insert the cable through the cable gland and then crimp it, but for demonstration purposes, we shall use an already crimped cable. This is another UTP cable, crimped with RJ45 connectors on both sides, which we shall use to connect the ACT to the SIG-M and then to SenteraWeb. Once you connect to the power supply network, it is ready to be connected to SenteraWeb. To create your installation on SenteraWeb, you will need the serial numbers of the devices you're going to connect to SenteraWeb. Here is the serial number of the SIG-M, and the serial number of the ACT is here. Now all you need is a computer or a mobile device with internet connection. Once you have registered and logged in on SenteraWeb, you will have to add your installation. Enter the Internet Gateway serial number first. Fill in the required fields. Submit. Next, we'll have to add a new device. Enter the serial number of the device and its location. In our case, this is the ACT-H. Wait for a while. ACT-H is now added. Click to select it and go to Edit. The input and holding registers of the device appear. We do the settings using the holding registers. In our case, we have to check if holding register is set to Modbus mode. Next, we have to select holding register 14 in order to make a schedule. We want to have the damper open to 30 degrees on Monday from 1:15 to 5:30 p.m. Next, we have to update the device. That's it. Now you know how to use SenteraWeb Scheduler.